To take us forward, it's my privilege to invite the leaders who have shaped this journey, yes, and are steering CAMS into a next horizon. Well, leaders, I will now call up them, and it's my privilege and honor to call them. May I first and foremost request Mr. Ram Charam Shesharaman, Chief Financial Officer, to join us on stage. And can we welcome him with a huge round of applause, everybody? Thank you, sir, for joining in. May I now request Mr. Somendu Ganguly, Chief Operating Officer, to join us on the stage. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, let's maintain the zeal. They are the leaders, the visionaries that have shaped us today here. I will now request Mr. Ravi Ketna, Chief Platform Officer, to join us on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause and welcome him, ladies and gentlemen, everyone. May I now request Mr. Prabal Nag, Chief Business Officer, Asset Management Services, to join us on stage. Everybody, come on. Next, I'll call upon Mr. E.S. Varadrajan to please join us on stage. He is Chief Process and Risk Officer. Can we have a huge round of applause and welcome him on stage, please? I may now call upon Mr. Girish Shankar, Chief Strategy Officer and Business Head, Alternatives and Account Aggregator. Can we have a huge round of applause and welcome him on stage, please? Everybody, come on. May I now request Mr. Vasant Jaipal, Chief Executive Officer, CAMS Pay, to join us on stage. May I now call upon Mr. Anish Savlani, Chief Executive Officer, CAMS KRA and Investor Relation Officer. Can we welcome him with a huge round of applause? Everybody, come on. I'll request Mr. Vivek Bengani to please join us, Chief Executive Officer, CAMS Red. Can we have him with a huge round of applause? Next, I'll request Mr. Amit Das, Chief Executive Officer and Co-founder, Think 360 AI. Can we have a huge round of applause and welcome him? I will now request Mr. Suryadev Ghoshal, Chief Analytics Officer and Co-founder, Think 360 AI. Can we have him on stage as well? May I now request Mr. Syed Hassan, Chief Program Officer, to please join us on stage. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everybody. I'll now request Ms. Neha Sanjeev, Chief of Staff, to please join us on stage. I'll request Mr. Rahul Sethi, Chief Marketing Officer, to please join us on stage. With a huge round of applause, everyone. Joining us is Mr. Abhishek Mishra, Head AML Procurement and Business Development. Everybody. We are the business leaders, but we stand here tall and extremely proud of this journey. So I want a huge round of applause for everybody. Come on. I'll now request Mr. Siddharth Satpathy, Head Human Resource, to please join us on stage. Come on. Keep on clapping, everybody. And ladies and gentlemen, now presenting the driving force behind this entire framework. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Anuj Kumar, Managing Director, CAMS, recipient of Turnaround CEO Award at the ET Edge India's Impactful CEO Awards 2025. This is One CAMS, the backbone of India's financial ecosystem. And can we have a super duper and a blockbuster round of applause of them? Everybody, come on.